Alright, today we're gonna make the fast, cheap, healthy, romantic, or the FCHR for short. I wrote it down because I kept fucking it up. Alright, here we go. Alright, so we're turning on the pan so it like gets hot, because it being hot makes it way easier to cook the food. The quick, cheap, healthy, romantic is a great food for like when you're having dates, because I got hair in my face. It's quick to make, it looks good, and it's fast, fresh, and sexy, and making it like a best dating, you know. Won't take up that much time of the evening to prepare, so then later you can like move on to more fun things for the, and also don't put the fat or bloaty ass food like this kind of food in the woman, because then she won't be in the mood for having sex as much. She's gonna feel gross. You gotta put like fresh things in it until you put your unfresh thing in her, okay? First we're gonna do butterfly the chicken. Butterflying the chicken makes it so it's half the height and cooks double the fast. That's the fast way to cook this. So all you do is like you go on the thin side of this, and then you can't do this with one hand, so you just go like this. There you go, and then you just open it up, right? And that's how you butterfly. It's fine if it's kind of jagged and ugly. You know, who isn't? If I cared about things being jagged and ugly, I wouldn't like own a mirror. Be careful and wash your hands in between like doing stuff, because you're gonna get salmonella on your hands. Salmonella it was originally like contracted from a chicken fucking a salmon. It's a fucking epidemic. Just use a condom and put condoms on your chickens if they're gonna like hang out with salmon. Okay, fuck it. And then you put salt and pepper on it. I was gonna use this sexy thing like more pepper mileage, like impressing her, but this is empty. I'm too low budget to go like stop the video to just get more pepper. So we'll make do it with like it's here somewhere. Pepper though. I found it, you know, normal pepper. So just like get that on there to your special, but good, get a good even on it, and then you get like, you know, White Luke salt. It's a garlic salt. It's a mixture between salt and something. Slap that over, man. There you go. If you don't flip the chicken, flip it over like you're gonna flip her over later tonight. There you go. More of this on that. Don't be a shy boy, man. Don't be a shy boy with the salt and the peps. Unless she's allergic or, you know, if she really hates when, like, food tastes something. If you're having another person over for your date night, you usually do 2 of these, but, you know, I like playing it solo on my date nights, you know, it's less disappointments. So now this is gonna be hot. This is gonna be hot now. You can feel it's hot because of the heat. So get your olive oil. Get olive oil in it. Not a lot, man. You don't need a lot. Maybe more if there's 2. I don't know. I've never tried that out. And now here you go. You pick it up and lay it down. Real sit. You want to hear this. If you don't hear this, you know, it was too cold. It needs to be warm before having. You want to hear this. Also, don't put olive oil in beforehand, because it's gonna burn the olive oil. Wait until everything's hot before putting it in. Like with the girl, sex jokes. Sex jokes, okay? Now for the vegetables, we gotta flip this over, because remember what I said about that STD from its salmon, man. You don't want that on your vegetables. Also, absolutely clean the knife before using it on the vegetables, because, I mean, salmonella, man. You don't want like fish STDs on it. Alright, now for the onion. Red onion, man. Red onion's the shit. Here's for the peeling. First you just get rid of the top part like this. And then you separate the stale outer peel like this. And then you just throw this peel away like a condom you've used like 1 or 3 times. And then you separate it down the middle with a super easy technique that's very hard, but you just go like this. Okay, you just gotta throw this at the right angle. It's gotta be a perfect angle, like there, you know. Okay, perfect, it worked out. I just keep them in a bowl, man, in the fridge or the fridge place, so you can like use them a few times in a week. Ready to go. So now we have them ready in their things. If you can't figure out how to cut a cucumber in this like pizza slice formations, just you know, God help you. Just order some take-home McDonald's so you can figure this out. Holy shit. Then what you're gonna want is this, man. They sell this like everywhere. It's just a bag of leaves. A bag of leaves, like it's already washed. You don't have to wash it. You don't have to open it and put it on the. Nah. Also, turn on the light for better production quality on your shitty video. There you go. Mine is containing rucola, red baby patelia, green baby something, and baby spinach. She's gonna see that, and she's gonna get associations to her sex hole that is like, oh, everything I'm eating is a baby something. Oh, this guy's gonna make a great dad. Get one of these in here, and he's like, you only grab a handful, put it on the plate. It's the hardest part of this, especially because you're kind of trying to film at the same time. Put more than you think you need, man. Because it's definitely less than it looks. It's not like, oh shit, I couldn't eat this big pile of shit if this was rice or spaghetti. But this leaf shit, man, you can eat like a ton of it. And then it's kind of sexily put this. This is the sexy part of the name, you know, the fast, healthy, sexy sheep food, or you know. Let's not console the paper, dude. We are masters of our own destiny. There you go. You can make it look sexier, or less sexy, or less sexy if you're into that. You see that looks good, man. You can see that looks good because of the way it is. Now all we need to do is wait for this, and I haven't flipped this over because there you go. Also in the cheap, affordable, romantic and healthy. Also not a lot of dishing. So it's the FCHRNOD, the evidence NOD. So there you go. You only need to flip this once. It's probably done on one side. And then I'm just gonna wait on this. In the meantime, we can fix the dressing, because no one sees just a dry ass salad. You just pick up like any kind of Caesar dressing. You can mix this yourself, but why the fuck that? If we did mix this ourselves, that would take it at least take out 2 of the letters in the abbreviation of the word of the name of this dish. So then you just do some sexy thing like, you know, there, or you try to spell her name in the salad. Just don't put on. Okay, I put on too much. Don't put on so much. It's gonna make it look gross. You can place this on the table later, but make sure the presentation is top shit, right? Also, when you flip this thing, you could have just used like the stick, the utensils. Just use like 2 forks to flip it over. Even less dishing. Like that, the last part of the whole name. So you didn't, if you have the luxury of using 2 hands. For the last step, we're gonna take some Reggiano Parmigiano, man. Some Ruggedy Doogles. Make sure it has Gran Padano, man. It's supposed to have like a certification mark that this doesn't have. So this is the fake version. But make sure that it's not, or don't. One is cheaper, I know it, and it's like grate this over pretty nicely. And this is getting about done. You can see it's getting about done when you can like poke it and it's kind of hard, you know. Flip it over to see, to make sure you don't give you like a chickeness to this to your girlfriend. Just cut it up a little bit, man. Cut it up and look inside. If it's white, I can't do this again with the hands. Come here, helper, camera woman, man. You want a woman who has the figure like this, man. All right. Get there, don't fall down. You open it up, man. Cut at the thickest part of the chicken, and if it's like white like this, man, you're good to go. There's no diseases in it. They just pick that up. If you're gonna cut into one of them, cut into your own, so hers still look like good. And you see this, man. You gotta be able to serve this. It's just gonna be like, holy shit, are you Gordon Ramsay? And you're like, who? You see, this looks good. It tastes kind of amazing. It's actually way better for you. It's a quick and romantic, healthy. You don't have to do dishes. And the sheep. It's also healthy and good for you. And remember, if you put light things in her mouth hole, you can put heavier things in her other holes for later, man.